Good morning, Adya. Good morning, Adya. Adya, can you hear me? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Good morning.
Adya, voice is coming very slow. Adya, voice is very low. I cannot hear you.
Ma'am, now am I?
Yes, you are audible. It's just your voice is very low.
Ma'am, basically the mic of this laptop is a little bit faulty, so I can't do
But but
anything.
but now it's better. Now it's fine.
Okay. Okay, fine.
So nobody else has joined the class today. Let's wait for them for 5 minutes. Maybe they'll join.
Okay, ma'am.
Any idea about Pranjali? Will she be joining or not?
Ma'am, the only thing that I know that they didn't join the first lecture also, so I don't think that someone will join.
Okay. So do you want to continue with the chapter or shall I send some notes or something else? What should we do then?
Whatever you want, like we can either complete the chapter or I can just like finish the notes of this chapter only if you'll send them.
Yeah, I'll do one thing. I'll send you the notes of the chapter so that the ones who have not joined and they can also do the same later on.
Okay, ma'am. And ma'am, do send that test paper also
I've
na, in the
shared
other that is same.
I've shared in the group.
Uh, I didn't know. Just wait, ma'am. I'll see.
Found it.
Ma'am, that one is actually like I'll have to create a Microsoft account to in order
Oh,
to
you wanted the
open.
PDF. Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah, yeah, that's
Yeah,
right.
wait a minute. I'll share it in PDF form.
Okay, ma'am.
अब पता है ये लोग आज ज्वाइन कर लेते हैं, हमारा चैप्टर खत्म हो जाता है, तो बेवकूफ से हैं। मैं एक बार ग्रुप में मैसेज करूँ ना, फाइनली ज्वाइन।
I'm like, I think सिर्फ 2 पेजेस बचे थे, हम लोग कर
वही
लेते
तो,
आधे
वही तो। सो रहे होंगे ये लोग, आई एम डैम श्योर दे माइट बी स्लीपिंग इन देयर कंफर्टर्स। ये
अब
ये
ऑनलाइन
फर्स्ट
क्लासेस आर
ये
लाइक
फर्स्ट
हॉलीडेज.
हाँ, बहुत बच्चे।
I'm saying online classes are like holidays for them.
I know, right? I think in the first lecture was of physics, right?
Ma'am, it was of biology. Even I didn't join it because the laptop was not connecting, so I wasn't able to join.
Yeah, I think nobody joined the first lecture of physics in PCM as well. So their first lecture was of physics and nobody joined. चलो मैं तुम्हें ये वाला PDF में फॉर्म को शेयर करती हूँ and let's discuss.
Ma'am, after this chapter will be over, will you take a test also?
Yeah, this is what we have planned this time. That after one chapter we'll take a test. यार ये एक्सपोर्ट
Like if
PDF में नहीं हो
tomorrow
रहा।
it will. अच्छा.
कल
So
तो
if
तुम्हारा
tomorrow
ट्यूसडे
will
टेस्ट होगा।
be. Hmm?
टुमारो यू हैव ट्यूसडे टेस्ट।
Yes, ma'am. Tomorrow we'll have.
जा ही नहीं रहा इस PDF। व्हाई?
And this meeting is being recorded, so like, are you going to like post it somewhere?
Yeah, in the groups it will be posted. Class groups.
Okay.
I'm trying, but it's not coming. Like that is not coming as a PDF. So I'll share that with you later. पहले मैं notes भेज देती हूँ ना human development के.
The screenshot you can send na on that
हाँ,
group.
that I'll send. I'll send the screenshots. See, I'll share you two types of notes, Adya. Now you see which one is beneficial for you. Okay, which one you're liking better. These are very the ones which I'm sending right now, very short notes. Right?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. I'll see
And
that.
I'll send the others as well.
But these ones, they don't contain the whole chapter. It's just the introduction.
Yeah, matlab this is an introduction. It's kind of a
Okay.
very small, very short ones. The rest it's in the ones that way I used to send over it.
Okay.
Matlab it has contained the key terms. The key terms which we use in the chapter.
Ma'am, they are also written, so I'll write them also. At least read them once.
I think you should read them at least.
Okay. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Adya.
Ma'am, I wanted to like ask something about the project which you gave us.
Tell me.
Ma'am, like everything, like I'm able to understand, but the reports like introspective and like from the perspective of the person that we are experimenting, like how are we going to write that? I wasn't able to understand.
One, I have given you one sample or not? I've given you a sample of the
Huh,
introspective report.
basically, the in the sample, the introspective report is there. So, like I
Yeah,
can
so we,
understand that,
so
but
yeah. बताओ.
मैम बट लाइक इन द क्लास आपने बताया था कि हमें दो टाइप के रिपोर्ट्स बना मतलब वो एक पेज पे समरी लिखनी होगी ना, तो लाइक दूसरी टाइप को हम कैसे लिखेंगे?
इंट्रोस्पेक्टिव क्या रहती है? इंट्रोस्पेक्टिव रहती है किसके बेसिस पे? जो हमारा सब्जेक्ट है वो सब्जेक्ट की रिपोर्ट रही, ठीक है.
हम्म,
ये अदर रिपोर्ट विल राइट ऑब्जर्वेशनल रिपोर्ट जो हमने ऑब्जर्व किया सब्जेक्ट में.
मतलब इंट्रोस्पेक्टिव रिपोर्ट हम सब्जेक्ट के पर्सपेक्टिव से लिखेंगे कि
वो
ये मेरे
हाँ,
साथ
मतलब
हुआ।
बेसिकली वो रिपोर्ट सब्जेक्ट लिखता है, ठीक.
हाँ।
फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर यू हैव कंडक्टेड द एक्सपेरिमेंट ऑन प्रांजलि, right?
हम्म।
So what Pranjali got understood through that process, yeah, through
ओके।
that, वो प्रांजलि का एक्सपीरियंस आएगा उसमें, ठीक है.
सो लाइक हमें
Actually,
वो 5 या 7 ईयर ओल्ड के पर्सपेक्टिव से लिखना पड़ेगा
हाँ,
कि
वो
ये
पर्सपेक्टिव से लिखना पड़ेगा, यस.
ओके
Like I'll
फाइन।
try to show you a file. मैं कोशिश करूंगी कि कहीं से फाइल अरेंज हो गया तो मैं आपको एक दिखा दिखा पाऊँ. फॉर
ओके।
क्लास 12 वो टाइम प्लानिंग कि हम ना आगरा से साइकोलॉजी की ना ये एक्सपेरिमेंट्स की बुकलेट्स आती हैं, तो हम पूरी
अच्छा।
बुकलेट्स ही मंगा लेंगे, सो इट विल बी हेल्पफुल. I've shared the handwritten notes as well.
हाँ यस मैम, आई एम सीइंग दैट, डू दैट। Ma'am, Advik and Raghav are in school, I think. Like Raghav
Yeah,
posted something
I
on the
just checked.
group.
I just checked.
And I think Pranjali will also be with them because she is also
Yeah,
in the music.
wow, they're enjoying.
So they are actually enjoying.
Hmm. So why you were also such a good singer, Radha? Why didn't you join take part in the competition?
And it's because like I know now what happens in Ridhima, like I'll have to put in that much of time and I don't have it. So
Huh,
that's why I didn't go. Like
that's
basically in the
true.
beginning of the section, uh, and Joshua said he asked me and Shreya, both of us, like
Hmm.
he told us that he'll take us to a competition in probably July and August.
Hmm.
So in that time, we were not like that burdened also. So we were like, okay, so we'll go. But now because our half yearlies are also approaching, Tuesday tests are also there, so we are so like that much of efforts we won't be able to put in, so it won't be like beneficial.
Yeah, that's right.
Hmm.
चलो कोई ना.
And on top of that, ma'am, our teachers, they actually get irritated a lot. Like Shobit sir also, Atul sir, like, where are you guys roaming around when we are teaching? So that's the case.
Funny, yeah, I don't know what has happened to the system nowadays, but I think these things are also important. But you people are so burdened and pressured by by the motive of getting full marks and being the toppers. So this is one such problem which the children are facing today. There is no we yesterday a video has been posted on YouTube page of We Are Yuva. So they have written an open letter to the parents. You must watch it. It's very nice.
Okay, ma'am, I
You
will.
you'll go on YouTube, you'll
But
find
the
that.
case is, but like that is the case with the science students, na, like because we have to study that much. So
Oh, that is there. You can't escape that. It was actually that is where you get to experience a lot once you get into medical college. Now, so in medical college also there are a lot of things keep on happening which makes your life interesting.
Hmm. Like there are lots of co-curricular activities na, like my mother, so she tells me कि अभी पढ़ लो, in
Uh,
MBBS the first 2 3 years you'll enjoy.
well, MBBS will enjoy like anything. Matlab, yes, there would be burden. Yes, you have to study a lot, but there will be a lot of activities which will be taking part in. So your college life would be one of the most memorable part of your life. Even the internship period is also very nice. Like I had certain friends in Bareilly who had been doing the internship here and they had really a good time.
Like we get to travel and like go to other colleges and like conferences also we can attend. Na. So like it's
There's
really
a
interesting.
lot. There's a lot of your parents would have told you just a little. There's a lot of
Hmm.
things you'll experience, a lot of fun you'll have. Other would have shared the complete notes of the chapter. ठीक है?
ओके मैम, अभी तो एक ही पेज लिखा है.
ठीक है.
मैम along with that एक और चीज पूछनी थी. अनुचित, एक्सक्यूज मी मैम.
हाँ बच्चा, I'm listening.
मैम, जितने भी अभी है ना, उसमें से आई हैव 3, बट रेस्ट द पीडीएफ आई एम नॉट हैविंग. मतलब आपने कहा था ना कि वो पूरी फाइल बनानी है.
हाँ हाँ.
सो द आईक्यू टेस्ट है मेरे पास, एंड वो जो हमने पर्सनालिटी टेस्ट किया था,
हम्म.
और जो एग्जाम में जो वो एंग्शियस लेवल, वो 3 टेस्ट की तो है मेरे पास. मतलब आई हैव केप्ट इट इन माय फाइल. बट आई रिमेम्बर, आई थिंक हमने 1-2 टेस्ट और भी किए थे. तो क्या आप उसके भी वो स्क्रीनशॉट या
Haven't
पिक्चर
I?
भेज सकते?
तो अभी मैं याद करेंगे मैंने कौन से भेजे नहीं भेजे. मैं ना वो भी भेज रही हूँ अभी ना. Remember I told you people which you have not done yet. Who am I? Identity exploration exercise.
अच्छा, राइट राइट, ओके.
And so I'm sharing that as well.
वो भी हमें उसी फाइल में फिर
हाँ वो
लगानी
भी
होगी
फिर
ना?
फाइल में लगा लेंगे. यस.
फाइल में, ओके.
जो नहीं है अभी मुझे एक बार चेक करके बताना कौन कौन से नहीं भेजे हैं. तो I'll
मैम,
check
एक तो
them.
था पर्सनालिटी वाले, जिसमें वो जिसमें एनिमल्स हम लोग का वो आया था, लाइक ऑटर्स एंड गोल्डन
I
रिट्रीवर्स,
think
दैट
those
वाला.
two I have that I have shared.
लाइक वंस अगेन कैन यू शेयर, क्योंकि
हाँ
ग्रुप पे.
I'll ठीक है. I'll share once again.
थैंक यू मैम.
See, I've shared that Adya. Adya, check that. इसमें you have 4 options, right? What part of my identity, what it means to me. कि मतलब आप क्या हो, इट कैन बी मेड अप ऑफ डिफरेंट रोल्स हो सकते हैं आपके। अपनी आइडेंटिटी के एक पार्ट को लिखना है, उसे रेट करना है, राइट, कि आप उसका
इसका
कितना।
पे लाइक वी कैन प्रिंट आउट निकलवा के वी कैन फिल इट
हाँ,
राइट।
यू कैन डू दैट एज वेल। सी वो यहाँ पे नीचे दे भी रखा है, व्हाट ऑल नेम्स यू कुड गिव टू आइडेंटिटी, फॉर एग्जाम्पल